Learn English. Number 1. My shirt is in the... Correct. Number 2. My dog doesn't make very much noise. It is... That's right. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. My shirt is in the closet. My shirt is in the closet. Closet. A closet is a very small room in your house for your clothes. Now we can make a flashcard for closet and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write closet up here in the top left corner. C-L-O-S-E-T. Down here, H-O-U 1. This means house, level 1. Over here, the number 6 out of 20. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Claw. Zit. Closet. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is quiet every day. Jennifer is quiet every day. Quiet. Jennifer is quiet every day. She doesn't make very much noise. Now we can make a flashcard for quiet with a Q. Please make a card like this. The basic form is be quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 59 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Quiet. Quiet. Game over. You did very well today. Where is my shirt? In the closet. Correct. My dog is not noisy. It is very quiet. It doesn't bark very much. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 can fly in the air. Plane, correct. Short for airplane. Number 2, be patient. Patient people don't get angry when they have to wait. Number 2, the adverb to do something. Easily, correct. That's the adverb from easy. Today is Tuesday, September 24th. Show number 224. If you are new, welcome. We are a vocabulary school. This is a complete 2-year course. The course is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say quiet in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny. If you like, please share. See you tomorrow.